In terms of appearance, although the third-generation UNI-V is officially called a new generation model, the overall appearance design has not been subversively adjusted. However, the new car is equipped with a new front face design. As can be seen from the picture, the new car cancels the original frameless air intake grille design and replaces it with a closed center grille structure, paired with a sharper and more three-dimensional front surround, making the front face look more handsome. On the side of the car, since it is essentially a mid-term facelift product, the design of its side profile has been slightly adjusted. However, the large sloping rear layout combined with design details such as matte spoke rims and hidden door handles ensures that its body still has performance style and technological elements. In addition, the length, width, and height of the third-generation UNI-V are 4740/1838/1430 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,750 mm. Compared to the current version, there are no changes elsewhere, except for a slight increase in length. At the rear wing, which can be lifted electrically, will be used again, and the rear frame, which consists of a large-sized diffuser and a double-sided round-hole exhaust, will further deepen the car's overall sporty performance character. The interior will adopt a new design. The original smart display layout has been changed to an independent structure of the floating full LCD display and floating central control display. Even the physical buttons of the central control have been greatly simplified, making the interior look simpler, but still young and technological. In terms of power, according to the information released, the new car will still offer 1.5T and 2.0T power options. The maximum power of the former is still 141 kilowatts, but the maximum power of the latter 2.0T engine has been increased to 180 kilowatts. As for the transmission system, the 1.5T will continue to pair its power with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, and the 2.0T with an 8-speed transmission.